Ever found yourself scrolling through endless product listings, dreaming of launching your own online store, but feeling utterly overwhelmed by the sheer number of dropshipping platforms out there? You're not alone. The promise of a hassle-free e-commerce venture is alluring, but choosing the right partner to source your products can feel like navigating a minefield. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial decision for aspiring and even seasoned dropshippers. Oberlo versus Spocket. Which one truly gives you the edge? For years, Oberlo was synonymous with dropshipping, particularly for Shopify users. Its seamless integration and user-friendly interface made it a go-to for countless entrepreneurs venturing into the world of online retail. It offered a straightforward way to find products on AliExpress and import them directly into your Shopify store. With a few clicks, you could populate your shop with a diverse range of goods, ready to be sold to customers around the globe. The allure was undeniable, a vast marketplace at your fingertips, without the need to hold any physical inventory. However, the dropshipping landscape is constantly evolving. New players have emerged, offering alternative approaches and often addressing some of the limitations of earlier platforms. Spocket is one such contender, gaining significant traction by focusing on a different sourcing model. Instead of primarily connecting you with AliExpress suppliers, Spocket emphasizes partnerships with suppliers located predominantly in the US and Europe. This fundamental difference in sourcing strategy has significant implications for crucial aspects of your dropshipping business. So, why are we even having this conversation? Why might Oberlo, the former giant, be potentially overshadowed by a platform like Spocket? The answer lies in a few key areas that can make or break your online store: shipping times, product quality, and branding opportunities. Let's tackle shipping first. In today's instant gratification culture, customers expect their orders to arrive quickly. Delays can lead to frustration, negative reviews, and ultimately, a damaged reputation for your brand. Oberlo's reliance on AliExpress, while offering a massive selection, often comes with the trade-off of extended shipping times. Products frequently need to travel long distances, navigating international logistics and customs procedures. This can mean weeks, even months, before a customer receives their purchase. Spocket, with its focus on US and European suppliers, inherently offers significantly faster shipping times for customers in these regions. Domestic or near-domestic shipping translates to happier customers, fewer complaints, and a greater likelihood of repeat business. In a competitive online marketplace, the speed and reliability of your shipping can be a major differentiator. Next up, product quality. While AliExpress boasts a vast array of products at competitive prices, consistency and quality can be a concern. Dealing with numerous individual sellers can lead to variability, and ensuring the products your customers receive meet their expectations can be a constant challenge. This can result in returns, refunds, and again, damage to your brand image. Spocket, by curating its supplier network and often implementing stricter quality control measures, generally offers a more reliable standard of product quality. Working with established businesses in the US and Europe often means dealing with suppliers who adhere to higher manufacturing standards and have a vested interest in maintaining their reputation. This can translate to fewer headaches for you as a store owner and greater satisfaction for your customers. Finally, let's talk about branding. As your dropshipping business grows, you'll likely want to create a unique brand identity and foster customer loyalty. While Oberlo facilitates the selling of products, it offers limited opportunities for branding beyond your own store's presentation. Spocket, on the other hand, often provides more avenues for building your brand. Some suppliers on the platform offer options for private labeling or branded packaging. This allows you to add your own touch to the products you sell, creating a more memorable and professional experience for your customers. The ability to offer branded products can significantly enhance your brand image and foster stronger customer relationships. Beyond these core differences, there are other factors to consider. While Oberlo was tightly integrated with Shopify, its acquisition by AliExpress and subsequent discontinuation of support for new users has shifted the landscape. Existing Oberlo users might still find it functional, but the long-term viability and support are now uncertain. Spocket, while also integrating seamlessly with Shopify and other e-commerce platforms, stands as a more future-proof solution with ongoing development and support. Furthermore, Spocket often provides more robust inventory management features and real-time updates, helping you avoid selling products that are out of stock. This can prevent customer disappointment and the need for awkward apologies and refunds. While Oberlo offered basic inventory tracking, Spocket's focus on established suppliers often leads to more reliable stock information. In terms of pricing, both platforms offer various subscription plans. Oberlo's pricing structure was often seen as more accessible for beginners, with a free plan for smaller stores. Spocket's plans typically start at a higher price point, reflecting the potentially higher quality and faster shipping associated with its supplier network. However, the investment in Spocket can often be justified by increased customer satisfaction, fewer returns, and the potential for stronger branding. It's also worth noting the level of customer support offered by each platform. While both aim to provide assistance, the nature of Spocket's supplier relationships can sometimes translate to more direct support channels and quicker resolution of issues related to product sourcing and fulfillment. Ultimately, the better platform depends on your specific business needs and priorities. If your primary focus is on accessing the absolute lowest possible prices and a vast product selection, and you're willing to navigate potentially longer shipping times and quality inconsistencies, Oberlo might have served its purpose in the past. However, in today's competitive e-commerce environment, where customer experience reigns supreme, Spocket's emphasis on faster shipping, potentially higher product quality, and branding opportunities often provides a significant advantage. Building a sustainable and reputable online business requires a focus on customer satisfaction, and Spocket's model is often better aligned with achieving that goal. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.